Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a bit of a messy house. Well, a messy house for me. I'm putting away all of my Rae Dunn holiday stuff, and I just filmed my whole Rae Dunn collection video. So my dining room, needless to say, is a hot mess. Actually, my whole house is a hot mess. Our washing machine broke last week, and I have piles and piles of laundry to get done. My house has never looked this crazy. So hopefully you get some cleaning motivation. Hopefully this inspires you to get up and tackle your house. So I noticed that my daughter had gotten some of her acrylic paint on my floor. I had bought her that easel for Christmas, and yeah, the only thing that would get it up was this razor blade. I just kind of scraped it along the laminate. That is the best thing about having the laminate, is it's pretty durable and it's pretty easy to clean.
Wait a second, I don't need you. Then why so settled? I miswithdrew. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me.
I was super happy to be getting all the Easter things packed away. I am ready for my house to just sort of be back to its normal decor. I probably won't decorate again until fall. I add a few touches here and there for summer. But for the most part, all the fun decor is going to be put away and my house is going to be back to normal.
Or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had. 'Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster. When I'm with you, I feel different. Like I'm brand new. Let's ignore it. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something.
As I mentioned earlier, my washing machine was broken for a really long time. Luckily, my husband fixed it with just a $20 part off of Amazon. Go him! And it also saved us from having to go out and buy a new machine. We were worried we would have to do that. But yeah, my kitchen is just a mess of all the Rae Dunn I have to put away and organize, and we still have our Easter baskets up. My mom and dad brought over me and my husband also an Easter basket. I thought that was really sweet of them to do, because you know, as parents we kind of forget about ourselves and sometimes we want some candy.
Little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster. Or just the best you've ever had. 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 'Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster. Or just the best you've ever had. I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to die. I see you in a while, 'cause this time I will choose you.
If only I could do my dishes this fast in real life, that would be amazing. And I'm so thankful I don't have a ton of dishes this time.
Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk 'cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you.
Am I the only one that tries to get the entire load of clothes in her arms? I was actually successful this time. I didn't drop a trail with me as I was headed towards the couch.
Knowing it's a risk 'cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out, then I'm right back in. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for you.
I had some leftover Windex that I found, so I figured I might as well use that up. I usually use my e-cloth on my mirrors and glass, but I figured I would go ahead and do the old tried and true Windex.
I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly.
Look at that pug over there watching me do all the work.
I'm not gonna play hard to get through. I'm not gonna say I'm loving you too. I'm not gonna.
Hopefully this gave you some cleaning motivation and you got up and tackled the areas in your house. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I make cleaning videos twice a week.
Need nobody else but me.